Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpath trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. My name is Aparajita and I am your Mokshpath reader and trainer. Health in the first week of September. Health this week is an exploration and connection with our senses. Pause. Give a thought. How connected are you and how comfortable are you in your own body as a man or a woman? Observe, why are these physical desires coming again and again? What is driving them? Is it because of emptiness or is it because of lack of contentment? What is the guidance of the board? The guidance of the board is to strike a balance between fulfillment of desires as well as abstinence from all these desires. Caution for us to be more mindful of overindulgence, as you very well know that overindulgence leads to sabotage as well as addictions. Establish a routine of satisfaction which can lead towards a holistic well-being of your own self. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa once again with you in Punch Portal program for the period of 2nd September to 8th September 2024. Let's see what Mokshpath board is designed for relationship this week. The board says it's time to spread joy and positivity in your life, filling it with a pleasant and uplifting atmosphere. This is a moment to evoke emotions, charge your relationships and step into new connections. You can use aromatic oils or try spice remedies with the help of expert guidance to nurture your relationship. For example, lavender oil can help strengthen relationships, bringing new life and depth to them. Rosemary symbolizes love and faithfulness, and you can use it to enhance your bonds. During meditation or spiritual activities, you can use Gugar Dhuk to connect with the universe and yourself better. Aromatic candles can also help during self-reflection. It is important to nurture relationship with others, but it is equally important to evoke with yourself also. Enhancing fragrance in your life can foster deeper connections and understanding with loved ones. Embracing these practices helps to build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshpath. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpath will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मेनका है। मैं मुंबई महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। मैं एक न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट और मोक्षपथ बोर्ड रीडर हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे स्पिरिचुअलिटी के बारे में। मोक्षपथ बोर्ड क्या कह रहा है फॉर द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ सितंबर, यानी 2 सितंबर से 8 सितंबर 2024 तक। यह सप्ताह स्पिरिचुअलिटी के बारे में यह सलाह देता है कि हमारे साथ जो भी हो रहा है, अच्छा या बुरा, उसके जिम्मेदार हम खुद हैं। दूसरों को दोष देना गलत है। कहते हैं ना, जो बीज बोओगे वही पाओगे। हम संसार में अच्छे कर्म करेंगे तो हमारे साथ भी जरूर अच्छा ही होगा। जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। हमारी जिंदगी में जो भी हो रहा है उससे हमें सीख लेके हमारी गलतियां सुधार कर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। हमेशा सच्चाई और ईमानदारी के पथ पर चलना चाहिए। सच्चाई और ईमानदारी का रास्ता मुश्किल जरूर होता है, लेकिन वही रास्ता हमें हमारी मंजिल तक पहुंचाता है। सृष्टि का नियम है, हमेशा याद रखिए कि जो भी आप संसार को दोगे वही आपके पास वापस आएगा। अच्छे कर्म करोगे, लोगों की मदद करोगे तो आपकी जिंदगी में भी अच्छा ही होगा। खुशियाँ आएंगी, आपको अच्छे लोग मिलेंगे। स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है अच्छे कर्म। इसीलिए हमें हमेशा अच्छे कर्म करते हुए जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। नमस्ते।
Hello divines, I salute the divinity in each one of you. I am Rashmi Periwal from Kolkata. The cosmic guidance for the week 2nd to the 8th September 2024 is that you should not be in a false pride that I am the best. I am the only person responsible for the success of my business. Accept if you have made an error. Look beyond your momentary accomplishments. Surrender to the divine. Do not get stuck in biases of gender, caste, creed, religion, or relationships. Do not try to control the business environment as you are in your workplace. Understand that it is a teamwork and you alone cannot create success. Focus on the benefit of the group. Get a clear picture of the business dynamics and intelligently use it to inspire your work family. Cherish your colleagues. Thank you for being with us.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Lakshita. I am bringing you the guidance from Mokshapatam Board for Finance Reading for September 2nd to September 8th, 2024. Board suggests you a profound approach to financial management aligning deeply with spiritual principles and ethical responsibility. This week, our board encourages you to view financial decisions as extensions of your spiritual journey. Before making any financial choices, ask yourself if they reflect your core values and contribute to your overall well-being. Mindful and responsible spending helps distinguish between needs and wants, ensuring alignment with your values. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. Develop contentment and appreciation, which transforms your financial mindset from scarcity to abundance. Financial discipline maintains balance. Avoid impulsive purchases. Reframe financial challenges and as opportunities for growth, viewing them as lessons that offer insights into your values, resilience, and adaptability. Trust in the universe and having faith in life's natural flow. By integrating these principles, your approach to finances becomes a practice of spiritual and ethical refinement, leading to financial stability and a more meaningful, purpose-driven life. Thank you. Signing off for now.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.